I tend to do glossolalias, which are more conversational, and I like them because they play with meaning. So that kind of stuff sort of sounds like yeah, I do this alone in the dark. And what it is it places an edge for the light to follow, and you discover meaning in the absence of context. And you discover like the source of meaning before it is contextually located. Don't ask me what these kinds of words mean. This is how I learned to talk, hanging out with these semiotics people. But it's something like that, you know. And I think people did this for hundreds of thousands of years for each other as a form of performance art, long before somebody got the nuts and bolts notion that you could connect an action in the world or a linguistic intent to a sound. That we're just set up for this, these small mouth noises.